Okay, picture this. It's the 11th hour before Christmas. You need a miracle, right? That one last piece of magic? Well, what if I told you the most memorable gift you can give this year is already in your house, just, waiting to be created?
Welcome to Escape Rock. Today we are not just talking about games. Nope. We are crafting a last-minute holiday miracle, your very own DIY escape room.
You know that feeling, right? That electric energy on Christmas Eve? The kids are just bouncing off the walls with pure excitement, and you need something truly special to channel all that. So, what's the play when you've only got a few hours to make a lasting memory?
Here's the play. You become the holiday hero. I'm serious. In just the next couple of hours, you're going to build a simple, totally brilliant, homemade escape room that will become the stuff of family legend. And the best part? You don't need to be some crafting genius or have a big budget to pull this off.
Yeah, forget all those expensive, prepackaged experiences. A DIY escape room is an adventure built by you for your family. It's all about using everyday objects you already have to create this incredible game that's way less about high-tech gadgets and all about pure imaginative fun.
Okay, let's dive right in. First up, the mission. Look, every great game needs a story to pull you in, but don't sweat it. We're not writing a Hollywood blockbuster here. This is all about creating a really simple, exciting hook to get things started.
Just think classic Christmas stuff. Maybe the kids have to find Santa's missing toy bag before he takes off. Or maybe they have to discover the secret recipe for North Pole hot chocolate. See? These aren't complicated plots. They're just fun little launch pads for the puzzles that are coming next.
So the secret here is something called a bookend narrative. All that means is you set the stage with a quick story at the beginning, like, oh no, the reindeer can't fly without the magic key. And then you wrap it all up with a victory story at the very end. Everything in between, it's just hands-on, puzzle-solving action. Simple.
All right, now for the real engine of the game, the puzzles. And this is the crucial part. Your house is already an arsenal of puzzle-making material. You just have to learn how to see it. The absolute easiest way to do this is to work backward. Seriously, start at the finish line. What's the final win? Let's say it's opening a box with a 3-digit lock. Perfect. Now you just have to figure out the final clue that gives them those 3 numbers. Then you create the puzzle that leads them to that clue. A chain of just 2 or 3 simple puzzles is all you need for a fantastic game.
Now, what's so cool about this is how it totally trains your brain to see puzzles everywhere. That old jigsaw puzzle in the closet? Write a clue on the back. A random book on the shelf. A page number suddenly becomes part of a secret code. You could even set a clock to 3:15 to reveal the numbers 315. It's all about seeing the hidden potential in totally normal stuff.
So we've got a mission, we've got puzzles. Let's see how this all builds into a fully immersive world. And trust me, you do not need a movie set budget to create atmosphere. A few simple tricks can transform your living room into Santa's workshop in no time.
Sure, a commercial room might have lasers and smoke machines, but your DIY room? It's built on pure imagination. It's perfectly tailored to your kids, and there's no ticking clock or strangers in the room, just family fun on your time.
And making that magic happen is surprisingly easy. Just kill the harsh overhead lights and use lamps and Christmas lights instead. It instantly makes the whole space feel mysterious. Put on a holiday movie score in the background. And little touches like giving everyone an elf hat to wear immediately signals that this isn't just the living room anymore. It's an adventure. Okay, the puzzles are hidden, the scene is set. Now for your final and probably most important role, the game master. You're not just an observer here. You are the director of the fun. You're the secret ingredient that makes the whole thing work. Hosting for kids is a real art, and these are the golden rules. Just remember, the goal is empowerment, not frustration. So always make the puzzles a little easier than you think you should. Be ready to offer hints before they even have to ask. Your job is to keep that momentum going. You're their guide and their biggest fan, making sure they feel like total geniuses every step of the way. And this, right here, is the real payoff. This isn't just about passing the time on Christmas Eve. You are architecting a core memory. This is the story they'll be telling for years and years, the time you turn the whole house into a giant puzzle, just for them. Paige Ellsworth-Lyman, who inspired this whole guide, she put it perfectly. Watching others play through a room you've created can be just as rewarding as playing one yourself. See? You're not just giving a gift, you're getting to watch them unwrap it moment by brilliant moment.
So the only thing left to decide is what kind of hero you're going to be this Christmas Eve. The clues are all around you, the mission is yours to create, and an unforgettable adventure is just waiting to be unlocked. So, what are you waiting for?